Two persons killed in seemingly poll-related violence at Wangoi Assembly constituency. Chief Minister N. Biren Wangoi MLA Olukhoi share griefs of bereaved family. Manipur logs 72 new COVID-19 cases, 103 recoveries and 0 deaths in 24 hours. COVID positivity rate stands at 4.13%. Manipur joins nationwide administration of precautionary or booster dose of COVID-19 vaccine to priority groups. And India reports over 1,79,000 fresh COVID-19 cases in 24 hours. Omicron cases reached 4,033. Good evening and welcome to Back News. You're watching Primetime English News. To stay protected from coronavirus, wash your hands frequently, wear your mask properly and maintain a safe distance. And I'm PREMI THANGJAM bringing you the news in details. Two persons, including one Havildar of Special Command 2nd IRB, were killed in a reported poll-related violence at Samurao Awang under Wangoi Police Station of Wangoi Assembly constituency in Imphal West District last night. Deceased Havildar is identified as 40-year-old Abujam Sachikanta alias Tomba, son of late Abujam Mani from the same locality. The second deceased is also from the same locality and is identified as 58-year-old Abujam John, son of late Abujam Dojo. Impact News sources said Abujam John is an active worker of Wangoi MLA cum Agriculture Minister Oinam Lukhoi. The incident reportedly occurred at Samura Awang roadside at around 9:40 p.m. yesterday when unknown miscreants shot Abujam John twice on his left chest. He was immediately rushed to Advanced Hospital but succumbed to his injuries at around 10:30 p.m. While Abujam Satikanta was shot on his right abdomen, he was rushed to Raj Medicity where he succumbed to his injuries at around 5 a.m. today. Locals of Samurao today erupted into agitation, condemning the incident. Protesters blocked roads and prevented traffic movement. Top police personnel, including Imphal West District SP, rushed to the area to contain the situation. JAC has been already formed against the double murder, demanding justice. Wangoi Police Station has registered a case and investigations are underway.
No, but I take like that was I told me I'm Tomoy winging a same way. You never like them with that. Yeah, I'm the papa meeting mobile is it. Tomoy shouldn't wait. Came at the Kunjis like I said, Mabu Pava. Moborki Marilla in a name with the young about like the Borki Marilla and Borki, the Mactamu were hard given. I was I know seeing the Tamu saying about them, Zari, seeing the Mactadi. A Chumbaputopio.
The Ayin Palakari, Mr. Akaiva, Makala, will give up from the Kari Salambagi, the Halibano. Me had but the Putopio, I am from the Ijeri. I could.
Chief Minister N. Biren and Wangoi MLA Olukhoi took stock of the situation and condemned the incident. They met with the bereaved families and offered their condolences. The Chief Minister assured to award befitting punishments to culprits of the twin murder. And Biren said yesterday's attack was directed towards the BJP, hence miscreants involved will not be spared. JC submitted a memorandum demanding justice to the Chief Minister during his visit.
Mission Prajada Aki tujung piba mihani punto busima condemn tawi aski government si hana dagi su yarga lakte hujiksu masima khoina tawrai basi amaromda mu Bharatiya Janata Party ki worker da attack to ne lawisi mission prajada attack to ba loina na BJP ki supporter workers ne attack tar panena lawi chumna shanti porokpa shanti leiba pamda ba dungba hatta ba kangu singi khudoi khoi tumda sadana Hojiki mihat prasing do puthokri ba wai wak togani ain gi ba chapsaba dan dipigani
chumba thodo wa thok kai kra mayam se ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯊꯣꯛꯄꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯦ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯍꯦꯛꯇ ꯀꯩꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯇꯅ ꯈꯟꯕ ꯄꯥꯡꯗꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯉꯝꯃꯒꯅ ꯑꯣꯄꯟꯂꯤ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯣꯗ ꯗꯦ ꯂꯥꯏꯠꯇ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯝꯃꯒꯗꯤ ꯐꯩ ꯂꯣꯟꯅ ꯊꯨꯞꯅ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯏꯟꯇꯦꯟꯁꯅꯦꯜꯂꯤ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯇꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯑꯣꯡ ꯃꯥꯜꯂꯤ.
BJP Manipur Pradesh has condemned the twin murder of BJP Wangoi Mandal, polling number 5 booth president Abujam John and his cousin Abujam Sachikanta as pure political vendetta. BJP Manipur General Secretary P. Premananda has termed the president's demise as a big loss for the party in the wake of the upcoming election. Speaking to media at the party office today, P. Premananda said the party has already urged the Centre, State and Election Commission of India to probe the incident and award befitting punishment to the perpetrators. He recalled that miscreants planted a bomb at the residence of former BJP Mahila Morcha Manipur General Secretary and member of Khongampa Zilla Parishad Bobby. He also condemned Congress Party for holding a public meet at Wangjing Tentha and Kangabok Assembly constituency attended by Congress leader Bhakta Charandas on January 8, even after imposition of election model code of conduct.
Bulletin thada thabam tawriba party ki mamal jam lawa mamal naidrawa Wangjing Assembly constituency ki polling number 5 ki booth president tawriba Abujam John masak khangdaba singna numaina kapaga halam bhaibasi rajniti oiba loktung nabane haina Bharatiya Janata Party lawdaba ngamde hariba thodopasi party ki maikai degi akanna moongda condemn tawi Bharatiya Janata Party ki maikai degi Manipur Sarkar da Bharat Sarkar da Election Commission of India da ai bacharo sing pidana maralaiba sing se athwa matang manungda phadat piraga marani matungina chapchaba dani pinaba party ki maikai degi khanan jakhiba laire awat basinju nanjani siguma thodobasi makhata na tawdaba fai haina party ki maikai degi aroiba wafam su thamjani lakada election asi shanti leina pangthokasi party ki maikai degi pa
55 Tipaimuk Assembly constituency MLA Dr. Chaltonian Amo left Congress Party to join the ruling BJP yesterday. Manipur Legislative Assembly granted approval of his resignation from the Assembly today. As a result, the 55 Tipaimuk Assembly constituency seat now lies vacant. It may be mentioned that Dr. Chaltonian Amo also served as Vice President of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC before resignation. Chief Minister Nongthong Bambirin and BJP President Esarda also accorded warm welcome to the new entrant Amo. Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee Manipur has condemned the state government for failing to send recommendation to the state for enlisting Meitei or Meitei community in the scheduled tribe list of the Indian Constitution before the imposition of election model code of conduct. STDC warns of resuming the agitation after January 15. Speaking to media at the committee office at Ima Kontok Hanbi, Sanglen in Thangmaiban today, convener of coordinating body of Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee, Laishram Romesh said the committee will carry out street corner meetings, camera meetings and awareness programs in many parts of the state after January 15.
Propaganda namang tharaga chatlaga miyamgi ihun miyamgi aningba apamba khangdaba adugumba government amani aduna government asigi mathakta Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee na khoigi condemn tawi lamdam se hingiba lamdam sida laiminariba khoigi furup khuding makse chap manaba phida amada khoi chap manaba status amada khoigi sile nausing khoi hingminasi lakadrobe Eastern Highway Trans Eastern Railway gi achauba lakadoriba ahongba singse masidagi khoi kannaba khoi gi furup se ngakthoknaba khoi gi oiba protection constitutional protection koi phangna bai koi onaminasi masigi damakta koi koding magna akhak palaitana koi akan ma thodang do koi lominasi.
Bishnupur Commando Unit has arrested a man in possession of suspected heroin powder weighing 578 grams worth around 3 crore rupees in the international market. The miscreant was arrested in front of Life Care Pharmacy at Kwakta Pangal, Lamkai around 6:30 p.m. yesterday. Acting on a tip-off, the team led by ASI Victor Haubijam, assisted by Havildar Muhammad Islamuddin, Head Constable L. Gojendro and Havildar Muhammad Salamat Shah under the command of Sub-Inspector Y. Shakti Sen, OC Bishnupur Commando under the supervision of additional SP operations Bishnupur Roni Mayengbam, MPS and overall supervision of Bishnupur SP and Herojit, IPS conducted frisking at Kwakta Pangalamkai Junction. The arrested is 42-year-old Muhammad Munan Khan, son of Muhammad Abdul Karim from Kwakta, Tera Kongsangbi, Ward number 1 during the frisking operation. Police report says the miscreant was carrying the heroin powder concealed in 49 soap cases in a black polythene bag. One geophone was also recovered from him. The arrested person along with the seized items has been handed over to OC Moirang Police Station and has registered a case and investigations are underway.
Yamna suspicious oiba nupa ama polythene amuba mada pot chai khara pairaga pung taruk makhai nungdawaramgi Life Care Pharmacy hai Kwakta Pangal Lamkhai manak tu leiba masigi mamang sida akoin intercept tawi hairiba misigi maming si MD Munan Khan zahi nipu ganitoi son of MD Abdul Karim of Kwakta Tera Kongsangbi Ward number 1 abasi warami aduga mana pairiba polythene bag adu check tawo matamda 49 soft cases of heroin number 4 powder haitare yaromba thengnaki 500 ka 78 grams oi international market adi masi price ti crore ahung magi sang haitai adumaina oiba kanoni international market ta aduna hairiba port sing ase koina product to da mafam dadagi properly with all formalities seized away aduga hairiba nupa sisu arrest tawre Moirang Police Station da further necessary action lokatnaba koi handover tawragani.
Speaking to media, SP Bishnupur and Herojit warned of legal actions including cancellation of license against those who fail to deposit their respective license gun in the wake of upcoming state election at the earliest.
License nongwi khongat pasi akoi 82% gumba akoi khomjale lemo rubesing si akoi khomjanaba yang kan honari karigumba cooperation pirak taba mayum da chalaga su ek thangna daba adai akoi na sumon amune rak pi matamda deposit tabu laktaba singse masigi license cancel tawi o haidina koi osi singna mari leinaba district administration de irangna naba through SP office irangna naba instruction pigre aina message ama pijening basi license nongmai sing DC na exam tokdaba sing karigumba deposit tokdaba leragadi deposit tawiu akoina frisking checking tawu matamda license nongmai thengnaragadi madu illegal nongmai ni haidana koi as per law nongmai du koi phaba license kaktat pa sin singma mayama tarokani.
Manipur added 72 new confirmed cases of COVID-19 out of 1,741 samples tested in the last 24 hours. Today's COVID-19 positivity rate stands at 4.13%. As per the latest report from State Health Department and COVID-19 Common Control Room, total confirmed cases of COVID-19 in Manipur have reached 1,26,228. Active cases are 438. There is no COVID-19 related deaths in the past 24 hours. Death toll remains at 2,011. On the positive note, 103 recoveries were reported in the past 24 hours, rising the total recovered cases to 1,23,779. Manipur's recovery rate stands at 98.06%. Administration of precaution dose of COVID-19 vaccine for healthcare and frontline workers and those over 60 years of age with comorbidities begin today. The center has issued guidelines stating that no new registration will be required to get a precaution dose. The online appointment for the precaution dose shots began last Saturday. The co-win system will send SMS to beneficiaries for availing the precaution dose when the dose becomes due. Eligible population who have taken 2 doses of COVID-19 vaccine can directly take an appointment or walk into any vaccination center. Prioritization and sequencing of the booster dose will be based on completion of 9 months or 39 weeks from date of administration of second dose. The precautionary vaccine dose will be the same vaccine as administered previously in the first 2 doses. All persons aged 60 years and above with comorbidities who have received 2 doses of COVID-19 vaccine will be provided precautionary dose on doctor's advice. Manipur joined the nation in administering booster or precautionary dose of COVID-19 vaccine today. Speaking to Impact News, Imphal East District Chief Medical Officer Dr. L. Indira said, in the first phase, booster or precautionary vaccine dose will be administered to those in health sector, frontline workers and senior citizens. Precautionary dose vaccine was carried out in 6 areas of Imphal East District on the first day today.
Eligible oiba beneficiary sing si kana kana no haragadi healthcare workers sing frontline workers sing sahi 60 gi mathakta leiba mioi pumnamak amasung comorbid oiba mioi loinabak comorbid oiba mioi sing si kana kana no haragadi diabetes pu oirasu cancer oirasu natragana stroke or any other disease masada leina leiriba mi sing dubu khoina comorbid oiba patient na hainai sigi hidak si booster dose kapada comorbid oiba patient sing si gi tunganba certificate natraga doctor gi che thoina darkar oide magi second dose tugi thamapan gi gap leiraba aduga covid negative oiraba si eligible oire chahi tranga gi mathaki age group sida khoina seasonariba vaccine sena covaxin haidune covaxin sigi first dose su kapa matungda second dose ki duration si 28 days ki gap ta second dose kapa yare covid vaccination si complete oina kathuk piraga covid na naba yekpa siba gi chang si handhana ba covid pandemic si fight to minasi.
And now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring in updates on coronavirus cases in India and the world. We'll be right back. Keep watching Impact News.
Khanghanjaba Impact TV gi nungsizarba subscribers singi maphamda khanghanjari madudi karigumba isagi set-top box lothokraba matung atopa network ki set-top box ama sinzilamba thoklabadi Impact TV gi office ta natraga makhada pizariba contact number asida athuba matamda pau pibiraknaba khanghanjari contact number 0385244616 natraga 9612721760 khanghanjariba manager Impact TV network.
Notice ahan ba oina RBI na regulate toba amasung Ministry of Finance Department of Financial Services Government of India na Sarfisi Act 2002 gi makada financial institution ama oina sakhangkraba Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Housing for All mission gi makada subsidized home loan pibda mangjil thariba Panthoibi Housing Finance Company Limited amadi masigi sister company singi Guwahati yauna branch tarahumdoi hangdokchare chahi tara-taret ki khongchata lakraba Panthoibi Housing Finance Company Limited tagi miyamna financial facility sing lowiranaba ningsingjari Panthoibi Housing Finance Company Limited and its sisters company
Welcome back after the break and you're watching Prime Time English News. India added 1,79,723 fresh COVID-19 cases, 46,569 recoveries and 146 deaths in the past 24 hours. As per the latest report of Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, India's COVID-19 active cases stands at 7,23,619. Total recovered cases have reached 3,45,172 and recovery rate stands at 96.62%. Death toll has reached 4,83,936. Over 151 crore 94 lakh doses of COVID-19 vaccine have been administered in India so far. Total Omicron positive cases in India have reached 4,033. Globally, coronavirus has infected above 30 crore 80 lakh 63,000 people, above 55 lakh 7,000 people have died, and recoveries are above 25 crore 96 lakh 56,000. USA has the highest active cases of above 1 crore 81 lakh 46,000 in the world, followed by India and Brazil. All Manipur Road Transport and Motor Workers Union will observe the 33rd Drivers' Day at Iboyai Masanglin in Palace Compound on January 14th. Speaking to media at the union office in MT Avenue today, Union General Secretary Maimom Anil said COVID SOPs will be maintained strictly during the event, paying homage to 287 departed drivers. He appealed to bereaved families of these departed drivers to take part in the observance. He also recalled that Drivers' Day has been observed to mark the historic drivers' protest against frequent discrimination at Koiringai All Airfield on January 14, 1990.
Driver sing asibu nehet piganu minay tawbiganu haidana sahi khudingi oina 1990 dagi ngasi phawda Drivers Day observation hana ngasi bawda pangthokdun lagli kumsi sahi gisu oina lai guru oikraba driver singi mafamda ikaleket tambagi thawram amakhak All Manipur Transport Drivers and Motor Worker Union na sinjatuna pangthok chagadori ojaguru sing dui imung manung singi mioi sing haikaleket tambasida soidana yawina naba union gi maikai dagi thamjari Drivers Day observation asida ekoi government piba ekoi SOP chapchana pangthok chana tawjagani lengbilakliba khwaipuna margna su sarkar gi oeba niyom niti si ngakpiraga face mask uppa social distance thamaga hekalika tamba sibu saruk yawbiu koi national highway ani da chaliba ekoi gi driver singi damukta akhanana ekoi lottery amkhak thamjari masida su legidaba driver mayam singi matheng pangbiram gi damukta tawbimal khangboina ekoi na thamjari ba lottery asida su driver mayam na hekalika tamba lakpa mathamda saruk yawbiu.
JCI Imphal Iconics, in association with Thangmaiban Kendra Development Organization, distributed hearing devices and wheelchairs for the first phase to hearing impaired and differently abled persons from various areas of Thangmaiban constituency today. President of JCI Imphal Iconics, JC Nidhi Jain, handed over the items. Speaking on the occasion, JC Nidhi Jain assured of continuing social service even in the future.
We are on 7th January, we have announcing that we have distributing the wheelchair and the hearing aid machine. Now we have starting this, and starting from here we have distributed, we have given them the hearing aid and the wheelchair to the boy for serve the society, to help the needy people. Current motto of our organization is leading is our duty. So we are coming forward to serve the society. With the support of TAGDO, they voluntarily take this privilege. They were helping us in this work.
Beneficiary Ellery Kaishing from Thangmaiban Dimdailong expressed happiness that her husband can now hear with the hearing device he received today. Secretary of JCI Imphal Iconics, JC Mansi Jain, Treasurer JC Suman Jain, Kumukcha Verona and Tagdo members attended the event.
Yamna nungaye do thama se chapa yade hana do hati da dum palla ka lebani aduna sumaina yum se da sum ta na dum porok pi yam nungaye aduna ngasi su egi isu nu pa se mapa leitrabani ma ki damak ta sun na khom yam na sum ning sing bi ba na harawe aduka egi du pa so dum ma na su ta da bani apapat bata na khonna ba be su kri su khang da bani khoi ni se duna ai na ngange man ta da ke ta saura e aduna khoi ni se aduma na na khom yam sina se man kan tawi sida yamna harawe thagale habase dum hai jage no khoi mayam su isona su bot pi bo oisno haduna dum hai jage.
INC intending candidate of Kakching Assembly constituency Yengkom Nilachandra has appealed to vote Congress party for safeguarding the ideologies of democracy. He was speaking to media after submitting his candidature form at the Congress Bhavan in BT Road today.
Mioi bagi hak khonggaung na ba ade port chagi maman petroleum product ki maman ade essential commodities leire bagi mayam si hengalakpa adugi matakta akoi wathok mayam ama koi farm law ahum pass torga amu lokthok khibagi wathok leiri ade state to so hairaga koi border gi issue leiri ba fundamental right manghan bagi thumaina leiri ba mayam se masi anoba ma sarkar ma laga masi hongduan ba darkar le.
Kurai constituency intending candidate Haishnam Subhas joins RPI Athawale for the upcoming assembly election. RPI Athawale National Secretary cum State Unit President Maheshwar THANGJAM accorded warm welcome to the new entrant at RPI office in Kaishampa today. Speaking on the occasion, Maheshwar urged to extend support for the party.
The Republican Party of India Thawale ki ideology di dharma jati khaidaba amaga amaga chap manaba mipum khudimak chap manai haibagi wakhalon da changjarapa akhoi party ni duna Manipur gi oina di khwaidagi chanaba party mu oire haibasi yarabani duna akhoi Khurai constituency gi oina su akhoi Republican Party of India Thawale gi si member ama akhoi convener ama changbirak akhoi uncle sina lit tawiraga Khurai constituency da anoba Khurai semage haibagi wakhalon da mamang da suwak tawbire do tawiraga su Republican Party of India party sigi makhada anoba Khurai constituency mo onge haiduna chang pasida ko Republican Party of India Thawale Manipur State Committee ki site ki am chokthok chaw pokchai.
Speaking to media at his Kongpal Kongkham Laikai residence today, Khurai constituency intending candidate Haisnam Subhas recalled that he devoted 3 years in the hope of getting BJP ticket. Subhas iterated that he joined RPI at Thawale as instructed by his advisory team, and along with his resignation from BJP, around 6,000 BJP primary members will also quit the party.
Leader Kayana ticket Pangway Haibagishu Warunu Pangani Haibasu Harauruginu Tanjam Tangaminagi Jihai Committee Lay Paisino in my blessings in a Madugi Wakalondo Yarak Tabadagini Ainasi Ngai Ragumsi election matam Lauto Krabanina Aina Madugi Wakalondo the Aina RPI Sida joint of Javans.
After 15 the Gakoi Kan best level the walk of Jagni Aduga Haye Tang Trangagi Matung Jigi Mandu Quick Kanakan the high hole Aquina and roll to give up me meamdo Adu Loina Mupuna design to BJP.
15th exclusive retail outlet of Lekla product brand of THANGJAM Agro Industries Private Limited was opened at Segmai Bachar today. The retail outlet is named Ngasepam Sons. Speaking at the inaugural event, company managing director THANGJAM Joy Kumar said that he aimed to reach Lekla's product to every household and disclosed that 4 to 5 more retail outlets will be opened at various areas in the near future. He also said Lekla, which kicked off with just 4 employees in 1991, now provides job to 800 people with 600 as employees and 250 as distributors. He added that Lekla packaged drinking water was launched in 2010, and during that time, one machine which produced 2 liters of water in 1 hour was used. Now, one machine which produced 42 liters of water in 1 hour has been installed to produce quality packaged drinking water. THANGJAM Joy Kumar said that Lekla's products are availed in outlets opened at various districts including Senapati, Churchandpur and Kangpokpi.
Leklagi bakery asi saurangna nongmada ton ahum dengna ton mari bhau puthokpa ngambagi capacity lejare aduga puthokpasu ton ahum de dum soidana puthokpa ngame puthoi aduga market su kogi praja singna nung sibibdagi Leklagi product se accept tawidana ekoina hariba potchak sing ase yon bangamjari aduga ekogi target ti Leklana puthoi ba pot khuding maksi Manipur gi yumthong khuding da amatorosu jawhanba haibagi target se kanhanjabani ekoina badori target to gi step amoina mafam da outlet hangtokpagi plan tawjariba amati hangtoraiba sisu ekoigi Leklagi product sing ase Manipur gi kachin koya yauna ekoina puthoi ba item amatorsu yauna ba adugumba target to da tengsilakpagi khongkhang amani haiduna tamjari.
Chairman of Yumbi Agro Farmer Producer Company Limited, WOJ, today launched mobile mart van of Potsangba, Yela and Sekmai fresh pork meat produced by farmers of the company. The mobile mart van will pass through main markets of Imphal City like Lamphil Supermarket, Lamlong Kaitel, Singchamai and main areas of Greater Imphal on Saturday and Sunday. Brand Ambassador of Chief Minister's Green Manipur Mission, Elangpam Valentina, expressed apprehension that 13 banyan trees along Kanchipur to Lilong Bridge might be at risk of being cutting down due to the highway expansion project. She urged Chief Minister Nongthong Bambirin and Forest Minister Awangbao Nyumai to safeguard the trees. It may be mentioned that People expressed discontentment over falling of one banyan tree in Wangbal, Thoubal district and 5 trees near Lamboy Kongnangkong during expansion of Uripok Kangchup Road. Rajya Sabha MP Lesembasana Jaub has also shared apprehension over the risk of falling the 13 banyan trees on his Facebook post.
Kanchipurdagina Lilong Power Powagi Lambi kilometer Homsanga Doriba Lambi Asi Sembada, Asiki Mani Paring the Laiba, Konang Darahom Asi Sokwayana Lady Masida, Sotanabagita Magda, Aina Pupubirin, Habadi, Akolibaki, CM Oibiriba, Sri N. Birinda, Aina Hajar Pupu Sigi, Gano Konang Darahom, the Sotanaba Hona Vina, Samadi Lambi Asi Sembada Konang Darahom, the Sotanabagita Magda Lambi, Kitang Tajo Tajin Tauraga, Sembu Haina Hajar Amadi. Konang ama sokpada miyam gi thamoi si amna kai khre amadi hauji konang tara humdoi si ga soklabadi mi pumna ki thamoi si kai ni aina haijari.
As per reports from Indian Meteorological Department Regional Meteorological Center, Guwahati, medium to heavy rainfall along with severe cold temperature is expected in upcoming couple of days in the state. Rainfall is expected in a couple of areas in Tamenglong, Imphal West, Imphal East, Ziribam, Noni, Churchanpur and Ferozpur districts tomorrow. Most areas of Tamenglong, Imphal West, Ziribam, Noni, Chandel, Churchanpur and Ferozpur district and some areas of Senapati, Imphal East, Kakching and Tecnopal district will receive rainfall on January 12th. While on the same day, rainfall is also expected in a couple of areas of Kangpokpi, Ukhrul, Bishnupur and Thoubal district. Most areas of Tamenglong, Imphal West, Chandel, Churchanpur and Ferozpur district will receive rainfall on January 13, while on the same day, rainfall is also expected at some areas of Senapati, Imphal East, Ziribam, Noni, Tecnopal district and couple of areas of Ukhrul, Bishnupur district will receive rainfall. Couple of areas of Ziribam, Chandel and Churchanpur district will receive rainfall with thunderstorm on January 12th. Director of Kanglai Mime Theatre, Repertory Imphal and State Kala Academy awardee Dr. Yumnam Sadananda along with State Kala Academy awardee Ranjit Chingtham inaugurated 3-month diploma mime training of the Indian Mime Institute, Kolkata today. Institution Director Padma Shri Niranjan Goswami was present on the occasion. It may be mentioned that Dr. Yumnam Sadananda and Ranjit Chingtham took mime and thangta classes from January 5th to 9 at EZCC complex organized by Soma Mime Theatre, Kolkata under the aegis of ECG. Lifesavers Manipur State Blood Cell NHM and Department of Transfusion Medicine RIMS jointly organized blood donation camp at Blood Bank of RIMS today. Around 20 volunteers donated blood. And now the sports news. 83rd birth anniversary of eminent Thangta teacher of Manipur, Sanam Devabrata, was observed today. Living Arts Academy Manipur Thangta, Laman Thangta organized the event at Teralo Krapam Laikai, Nainasang Club Community Hall. Speaking on the occasion, Laman Thangta Principal Chungkham Sunil Kumar said the day was observed in honor of Sangit Nata Academy awardee Sanam Devabrata, acknowledging his contributions in promoting Thangta during his lifetime. Art and Culture Department Director L. Kishwarjit and eminent personalities working to promote Thangta paid floral tributes to the portrait of Thangta Guru late Sanam Devabrata on the occasion. Two shuttlers from Manipur have been included in selection of 32 shuttlers who will participate at Yonex Sunrise India Open 2022 to be held at New Delhi from January 11 to 16. The two players are Thangjam Dinku and Khairakpa Manjit for men's double. It may be mentioned that Thangjam Dinku and Khairakpa Manjit are the first two players of the state to be selected for International Super Series. Manipur Badminton Association expressed happiness upon their selection and wished all the best for the tournament. Adhaksha of Ziribam Zilla Parishad K.H. Janaki kicked off 15-day second 6A side open soccer tournament in Ziribam district today. Altogether, 12 teams are competing in the tournament organized by Yawol Gym Committee at Yawol Club Playground. In the first match played today, Gym Committee and Junior Football Tournament ended in a goalless draw. Dibong GP Pradhan R.K. Nobinsana, President of Yawol Club and Manikanta, and former President C.H. Ammus attended the event. League match of the ongoing Indian Super League 2021-22 between Mumbai City and Bangalore is underway at Goa's Fatorda Stadium since 7:30 this evening. In yesterday's league match, Kerala Blaster beat Hyderabad in 1-0. The lone winning goal was scored by Alvaro Vargas at 42nd minute of the match. Before we end, let's take a look at headlines once again. 2 persons killed in seemingly poll-related violence at Wangway Assembly constituency. Chief Minister and Biren Wangway MLA Olukoi shares griefs of bereaved family. Manipur logged 72 new COVID-19 cases, 103 recoveries and 0 death in 24 hours. COVID positivity rate stands at 4.13%. Manipur joins nationwide administration of precautionary or booster dose of COVID-19 vaccine to priority groups. And India reports over 1,79,000 fresh COVID-19 cases in 24 hours. Omicron cases reached 4,033. Well, that's all we have in this edition of the English Primetime Bulletin. Thank you for joining us. Coming up next is Primetime Manipuri News. For more news, you can also follow Impact TV on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. Till then, good night.